I am Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Welcome to the lecture session of image processing. In this session, we will discuss about smoothing spatial filters, and the classification is non-linear filters. So in this concept, we are going to cover different topics like smoothing spatial filters. So under smoothing spatial filters, we have two classification: linear filters and non-linear filters. So linear filters we have discussed in the previous sessions. So in this session, we will discuss about non-linear filters. So under this non-linear filters, we have three types: median filter, minimum filter, and maximum filter. So we will learn in detail about these three types of filters, and we will also solve some example problems related to this non-linear spatial filter. That is, one problem related to median filter, and the problem related to minimum filter, and also the problem related to maximum filter. Now, coming to this spatial filtering. So first we should know what is meant by spatial filtering. So in this spatial domain, the operation will be performed directly on the pixels. And here this spatial filtering is of two types. One is smoothing spatial filter and sharpening spatial filter. So smoothing spatial filter means this filter is used to reduce the noise in an image, and it is used for blurring the image. So whatever the operation, the basic filter, low pass filter is going to perform, the similar operation can be performed by this smoothing spatial filter. And coming to this sharpening spatial domain. So this sharpening spatial domain is similar to the high pass filter. We will discuss in detail about this sharpening spatial filter in the coming sessions. So under this smoothing spatial filter, we have two types of filters: linear filtering and non-linear filtering. So the basic difference between this linear filtering and non-linear filtering is, in linear filter, in order to calculate the new pixel value, we are going to consider the neighborhood pixels, and we are going to perform convolution operation between the mask, that is given filter, and the pixel values of the image. So convolution operation will be performed in this linear filtering. So whereas in this non-linear filtering, we are going to consider the ranking of pixel values. So based on that ranking, the center pixel value will be replaced. And so under this linear filter, we have different types. Gaussian filter is there, and also this average filter will be there. And average filter is also known as mean filter. So why it is called average filter means we are going to calculate the average value of the pixels in the given image. So this linear filtering and this average filter we have already discussed in the previous session. In this session, we are going to discuss about this non-linear filtering, where the center pixel will be replaced based on the ranking of pixels. So in this, there are three types: median filter, minimum filter, and maximum filter. So here, in all these filters, first we have to sort the given pixel values in the ascending order. After that, in the median pixel, if we consider this median filter, the center pixel value will be replaced with the middle value in the ascending order. And in the minimum filter, first we have to write the pixel values in the ascending order. and among all the pixels, whichever pixel is the minimum value, that value will be replaced as the center pixel value in the image. And coming to the maximum filter, in this case also, we have to arrange all the given pixels which are in the shaded region in the ascending order. After writing, we have to consider among all the pixels which one is the maximum pixel value, and that pixel value should be replaced in the replaced as the center pixel value in the image. So this is how the operation will be performed. Now, so whatever here, smoothing spatial filter or sharpening spatial filter, both are used for image enhancement only. Now we will discuss about this non-linear filtering in detail. Now, so under non-linear filters, the first type is median filter. So here it is going to replace the center pixel value as the median pixel value in the neighborhood. So this point will be clearly understood if you see the example. So the center pixel value will be replaced as the median value in the given image. So the purpose of using these median filters are, if you use the median filters, the impulse noise will be removed from the image. So here impulse noise can also be called as salt and pepper noise. So here salt will be indicated with 255 gray level and pepper noise will be indicated with 0 gray level. So by using this median filter, we can reduce the salt and pepper noise. So here we can consider this is the input image. So this is the image related to the circuit board, which consists of some noise, that is salt and pepper noise is available in this input image, original image. So previously we have learned about average filter when we are learning about linear filters. So if you apply this averaging mask on this noise image, on the image which is having noise, then the output image will be looking like this. So coming to the non-linear filters, considering the same input image, original image which is having salt and pepper noise, and for that image if you are applying this 3x3 median filter, then the output image will be looking like this. Now we can observe here average filter is used on this original image and this median filter is used on the original image, and these are the resultant outputs. So if you compare these two images, so the image when we applied median filter is having less amount of noise. So the quality of the image, the third image, this image is having high quality. So what are the effects of using median filter means? It is used to reduce the noise. So if you see the third image, the noise is being reduced compared to this average mask. And also this image is having less blurring compared to the previous image. That is image when the average mask is applied. So this is the difference we can observe when the filters or different filters are used. Now, so based on that median filter concept, let us solve one example. So here use median filter to remove salt and pepper noise from the given sub image. So here this is the sub image they have given, and from this image we have to reduce the salt and pepper noise. Here we have to use median filter to reduce that noise. So according to the concept what we have learned till now, using median filter means first we have to write the pixels that are under shaded region in the ascending order. Among all the pixels, we have to see which one is the center pixel, and we have to take that pixel and replace in the old one. So here this is the given sub image, and here let us apply 3x3 mask that is a 3 by 3 median filter. So 3 by 3 median filter we will apply. So here, if we apply 3 by 3 median filter, whatever the pixel value is there at the center, that only can be modified. So if you place on the image, if you place that 3 by 3 median filter mask here, this value will become the center pixel which we need to find. That means here in this place, we can find a value 2, and instead of this 2, we have to replace with a new value. Similarly, if we shift the mask, then the center pixel value will be changing. So if we shift the mask by one column, then the 3 by 3 mask will be coming here and the center pixel value will be appearing in this place. So here means this 25 will be the center pixel value which we need to be replaced with the new value. So like that, if we keep on shifting the mask by one column, the value of the center pixel will be changing, and to that pixel value, it is considered as the old pixel. That pixel value should be replaced with the new pixel value after applying this median filter. So like this, if we shift this mask, the center pixel values are all these values where the new value need to be replaced. That means here we can see all these are the values. For all these values, we have to find which one is the output pixel value after applying this median filter. So let us consider here the first one. Let us find. That means the new pixel value of 2. After that, we will see the next one, that is new pixel value for 25. After that, the third one, that is new pixel value for 23. After that, the fourth one, the new pixel value of 34. Like that, we will keep on calculating the new pixel values and we will replace in the place of old pixel. Now, so if we apply this median filter, here this is the sub image. So we have placed the mask here, that is median filter. So if we place the mask here, this 2 is becoming the center pixel which we need to find. So first what we need to do, either medium filter or min filter, max filter. First we have to write all these values, that is neighborhood values of the center pixel in the ascending order. So first if we see what are all the pixels that are available in the shaded region. So 5, 16, 20, 21, 2, 25 and 43, 51, 90. So all these are the neighborhood values. All these values, first we have to arrange them. We have to arrange all these values in the ascending order. So if we arrange all these values in the ascending order, so we will have here 2, 5, 16, 19, 20, 21, 25, 43 and 51. So if we replace all these values in the ascending order. So median filter means after applying in the ascending order, see which one is the middle value, center value. So if you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 and from here 1, 2, 3, 4, this 20 is the middle value that we have to consider as the output pixel and we have to replace in place of this 2. So 2 will be replaced with 20. Okay. So similarly, next we have to find the pixel value for 25. So we have to shift the mask towards right such that this 25 will become the center pixel. So new value of 25 will be calculated. So if you shift this mask, this 25 is becoming the center pixel value. So here if we consider now what are all the neighborhood pixels in this mask. So here 16, 20, 15, 2, 25, 23 and 51, 19, 18. So all these are the pixel values that are present in this neighborhood. So after this, we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So if we arrange them in the ascending order, we will get 2, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25 and 51. So in this range, which one is the middle value we have to consider? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here this 19 is the middle value. So as we are applying median filter, we have to consider the middle value and this 25 will be replaced with 19. So similarly, if we shift this mask towards right by one column, then this 23 will become the center pixel. So this is how the image look like. So making this 23 as the center pixel, we have to find the new value for this 23. So considering all the neighborhood values, we have 20, 15, 17 and 25, 23, 34, 25, 23, 34 and next 19, 18, 40. So we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So if we arrange, we will get 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25, 34, 40. So all the pixels will be arranged in the ascending order. So in this 20 is the center pixel. So here instead of this 23, we will be replacing with the new pixel value 20. And next we have to find the new value for 34. So we have to shift the mask such that this 34 will become the center pixel. So if we consider all the neighborhood pixels under this mask, we have 15, 17, 20, 23, 34, 19, 18, 40, 42. Next, we have to arrange them in the ascending order. The new value of 34 can be calculated. So if we arrange them in the ascending order, we will get 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 34, 40, 42. So among this, the middle value is 20. So this 34 will be replaced with 20. And next we have to shift the mask to find the next new pixel value. Then this 51 will become the center pixel which we need to be replaced. So considering here 51 as a center pixel, see what are all the neighborhood pixels. 21, 2, 25 and next 43, 51, 19 and next 15, 18, 25. So considering all the neighborhood values, arrange them in the ascending order. So if we arrange, we will get 2, 15, 18, 19, 21, 25. Here 2 25s are there. 43 and 51. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 21 is the center pixel value. So this 51 will be replaced with 21. And next if we shift this mask, this 19 will become the center pixel which need to be calculated. So this 19 will become the center pixel if we shift the mask by one column. So considering all the neighborhoods, So 2, 25, 23, 51, 19, 18. So here 18, 25, 23. So all these are the neighborhood pixel values of the center pixel. Next we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So if we arrange, we will get like 2, 18, 18. So 2 18s are here. So we have to write 2 times. 2, 18, 18, 19, 23, 23 because here 2 23s are there. Next 25, 25 because here 2 25s are available. And the last one is 51. So like this we have to arrange in the ascending order. The middle value is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this 23 is the middle value. So this 19 will be replaced with 23. After that, this filter or mask should be shifted by one column towards right. Then this 18 will become the center pixel and it will be looking like this. Next we have to find the new value, pixel value for 18. So arranging all the neighborhood pixel values. So 25, 23, 34, next 19, 18, 40, 25, 23, 38. So here we have considered all the neighborhood pixel values under this mask. And if we arrange them in the ascending order, so here 2 times 23 is there, 2 times 25 is there. Here also we have to write 2 times. So to find the new pixel value of 18, arrange them in the ascending order, you will get 18, 19, 23, 23, 25, 25, 34, 38, 40. So this is how we have to arrange in the ascending order. So in this case, the middle value is 25. So this 18 will be replaced with 25. Next, by shifting this mask towards right by one column, then 40 will become the center pixel. New value of 40 need to be calculated and the sub image will be looking like this. We have to find the new value of this 40. So considering all the neighborhood pixel values for this center pixel, we have 23, 34, 19, 18, 40, 42, 23, 38, 40. So this is the sub image. Next, we have to arrange them in the ascending order to find the new pixel value for 40. So here 18, 19, 23, 23, 34, 38, 40, 40, 42. So all these pixel values are arranged in the ascending order. So if we consider the new pixel value is 34, so this 40 will be replaced with 34. So here, next, shifting the mask, the sub image will be looking like this. And if we shift here, this 18 is becoming the center pixel where the new value need to be calculated. So considering all the neighborhood pixels, what are the neighborhood pixels? 43, 51, 19, 15, 18, 25 and 52, 44 and 34. Now we have to arrange all these pixels in the ascending order. So 15, 18, 19, 25, 34, 43, 44, 51, 52. So among all these values, this 34 is the middle value. So this 18 will be replaced with a new pixel value 34. Similarly, if we shift this mask towards right, then the 25 will become the center pixel. So 25 will become the center pixel where the new value should be calculated. So considering this 25 as a center pixel, write all the neighborhood pixels. So here 51, 19, 18, 18, 25, 23, 44, 34 and 12. So this is the mask. All these are the neighborhood pixels. So arranging them in the ascending order. So here arrange them in the ascending order. We will get 12, 18, 18, 19, 23, 25, 34, 44 and 51. So among all this 23 is the middle value. So this 25 will be replaced with 23. So similarly, if we shift the mask towards right, this 23 will become the center pixel. So considering this 23 as the center pixel, see what are all the neighborhood pixels that are available. So we have 19, 18, 40, 25, 23, 38, 34, 12, 10. All these are the neighborhood pixel values. So arrange them in the ascending order. That is 10, 12, 18, 19, 23, 25, 34, 38 and 40. So among all this 23 is the center pixel. Center pixel means here we will have 4 and here we will have 4. The center value is 23. So this 23 will be replaced with 23. Similarly, if we shift the mask towards right by one column, this 38 will become the center pixel. So the sub image will be looking like this. Now considering this 38 as the center pixel, we have to write what are all the neighborhood pixel values. That is 18, 40, 42, 23, 38, 40, 12, 10, 13. Next, arrange them in the ascending order. So for 38, ascending order is 10, 12, 13, 18, 23, 38, 40, 40, 42. So among all these values, this 23 is the center pixel value. So this 38 will be replaced with 23. So after applying this median filter for the given sub image, the output image will look like this. So this is the area where all the new pixel values are calculated. Okay, so this 20, 19, 20, 20, all these are the new values which are replaced in place of old values. So this is how we have to apply median filter for the given image. And next type under this non-linear filters are minimum filter. So here what value we are replacing as the center pixel means the minimum value among all the values in the neighborhood will be replaced as the center pixel value. So it is going to replace the value at the center by minimum pixel value in the neighborhood. So initially all the pixels, we have to consider all the neighborhood pixels as same in the median filter, and we have to arrange them in the ascending order same as median filter. But after writing in the ascending order, we have to consider the minimum value. That minimum value will be replaced as the center pixel value in the mask. Now, so let us solve one example related to this minimum filter. So use minimum filter to remove salt and pepper noise for the given sub image. So this is the sub image. So this is the input image what they have given, and this image consists of salt and pepper noise. It should be removed by using this minimum filter. So here in the same way, if we apply the mask minimum, here 3 by 3 mask we will use. So here if we apply the mask, so this is 3 by 3, we will start from here. So first pixel value, center pixel value will be starting from 2. So that's why here all these are the values we need to find. This is the first value. Similarly, if you shift this mask, it will be like this 3 by 3 mask. So for this mask, this 25 will become the center pixel, as it is 3 by 3 mask we have considered. So in that case, all these are the values we need to find. That means this is the region where all the new pixel values should be replaced. So we have to find the new pixel value for 2, 25, 23, 34, 51, 19, 18, 40, 18, 25 and 23, 38. And all should be replaced in this area. Same the procedure what we have used for median filter. So consider initially 3 by 3 mask. See what are all the neighborhood pixel values. Arrange them in the ascending order. But after arranging in the ascending order, consider which one is the minimum pixel value. That value will be replaced as the center pixel. So previously we have used the middle value to replace in the center pixel. But in the minimum filter, we have to consider the minimum value. So here the first value what we need to find is for 2. So here this is the mask what we have applied. So 2 has become the center pixel. So consider all the neighborhood pixels. So all these are the neighborhood pixels. Okay. After considering, we have to write all of them in the ascending order. So let us write directly in the ascending order. So for pixel 2, ascending order is 2, 5, 16, 19, 20, 21, 25, 43 and 51. So considering all these neighborhood values, if we write in the ascending order, it will be looking like this. So among this, 2 is the minimum pixel value. So the old pixel 2 will be replaced with the new pixel value 2. Similarly, after shifting this mask towards right, this 25 will become the center pixel value. So it will be looking like this. So this 25 will become the center pixel value. Now considering all these neighborhood pixel values, we have to arrange them in the ascending order. So to find the new pixel value of 25, arrange them in the ascending order, we will get like 2, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25, 51. So all these are the neighborhoods. If we consider, arrange them in the ascending order. So this 2 is the minimum value. So this 25 will be replaced with 2. Similarly, if we shift this mask to right, this 23 will become the center pixel value which need to be replaced. So if we consider this 23 as the center pixel value, all these will become the neighborhood pixels. So arrange all these neighborhood pixels in the ascending order. So if we arrange, we will get 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 25, 34, 40. So among all these, this 15 is the minimum pixel value. So this 23 will be replaced with 15. So if we shift this mask towards right by 1, this 34 will become the center pixel. So we have to find the new value of this 34. So if 34 is the center pixel, all these are the neighborhood pixel values. So arrange all these neighborhood pixel values in the ascending order. It will become 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23, 34, 40, 42. So after arranging in the ascending order, the minimum pixel value is 15. We have to consider minimum value. Why? Because we are applying minimum filter. So this 34 will be replaced with 50. So similarly, if you take this mask and if you apply again from the starting, this 51 will become the center pixel, and here all these are the neighborhood pixel values. So considering all these neighborhood pixel values, arrange all the values in the ascending order. We will have 2, 15, 18, 19, 21, 25, 25, 43, 51. So among all these, this 2 is the minimum value which need to be replaced here. Next, after shifting this mask, the 19 will become the center pixel and the image will look like this, making this 19 as a center pixel. Considering all the neighborhood values of that 19, so arrange them in the ascending order. So we will get 2, 18, 18, 19, 23, 23, 25, 25, 51. So among all these pixel values, this 2 is the minimum value which need to be replaced in place of 19. And if we shift this mask towards right, then this 18 will become the center pixel value and the image will be looking like this. If 18 is the center pixel value, all these pixels are the neighborhood pixels for that. So arrange them in the ascending order. So to find the new pixel value of 18. So arrange them in the ascending order. We will get 18, 19, 23, 23, 25, 25, 34, 38, 40. So among all these pixels, this 18 is the minimum pixel value. So here in place of 18, we have to replace the new pixel 18. If we shift this mask towards right, this 40 will become the center pixel value and the image will be looking like this. So for this 40, we have to find the new value. So considering this 40 as the center pixel, all these pixels will become the neighborhood pixel values. Arrange them in the ascending order. We will get 18, 19, 23, 23, 34, 38, 40, 40, 42. So here the minimum value is 18. So this 40 will be replaced with 18 pixel value. Next, if we shift again the mask, 3 by 3 mask, then this 18 will become the center pixel and all these are the neighborhood pixel values for that 18. So if we arrange them in the ascending order, so we will get 15, 18, 19, 25, 34, 43, 44, 51, 52. So among all this 15 is the minimum value which we need to have in place of 18. And next, if we shift this mask, then this 25 will become the center pixel and the image will be looking like this. So if you see here, these are all the neighborhood values for this 25. So arrange them in the ascending order. We will get 12, 18, 18, 19, 23, 25, 34, 44 and 51. So among all these, this 12 is the minimum pixel value which we place in place of 25. If we shift this mask towards right, this 23 will become the center pixel and all these are the neighborhood pixel values. To find the new pixel value for this 23, we have to arrange all the neighborhood pixels in the ascending order. Then we will get 10, 12, 18, 19, 23, 25, 34, 38, 40. So among all these pixels, this 10 is the minimum value. So this 23 will be replaced with 10. Similarly, at the last step, if we shift the mask, 38 will become the center pixel value and the image look like this. So for this center pixel 38, all these are the neighborhood pixels. Arrange them in the ascending order. So for 38, 10, 12, 13, 18, 23, 38, 40, 40, 42. So among all this 10 is the minimum pixel value which we need to replace here. So like this we have to apply the minimum filter and all the new values should be calculated. Similarly, if you go for this maximum filter, in the same way we have to write in the ascending order and then consider the maximum pixel value. So same thing, same example we have solved. So among all this, if we arrange in the ascending order, the maximum pixel value will become 51. So here 2 will be replaced with 51. So the pixel value of 25, also the maximum value will be 51. And pixel value of 23, 40 will be among all these. 40 will be the maximum value. And for 34, considering this neighborhood, for 34, 42 will become the maximum value. Similarly, for 51, considering this mask, 51 will become the maximum pixel value. And considering this neighborhood, for 19, 51 will become the maximum pixel value. Similarly, for 18, so considering this neighborhood, 40 is the maximum value. And considering this neighborhood, to calculate for 40, 42 is the maximum pixel value. And here considering this mask, if we arrange for 18, 52 will be the maximum value. So here among all these, for 25, 51 is the maximum value. Similarly here, for this mask, among all the neighborhood, this center pixel value will be replaced with the maximum value. So among all that, 40 is the maximum pixel value. So 23 will be replaced with 40. 25 will be replaced with 51. Similarly, in this mask, 38 is the center pixel. Considering all the neighborhood values, the maximum pixel value is 42. So this 38 will be replaced with 42. And finally, this will be the output image and new pixel values after applying this maximum filter. So arranging all the neighborhood values in the ascending order, considering which is the maximum value and replacing that value with the old value. So this is how we have to apply non-linear filters for the given image. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.